what's happening YouTube? This is Mike, living with 3M. Just wanted to make a quick video, actually sort of a special request video. I told you guys, you comment and I answer. So just finding out that I've done a video with the Wife's Explorer, the muffler delete, to let you guys see how the Ecoboost sounds. And one guy really wants me to do an in-car noise level video to see how it sounds. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do is just from a start, I've already cranked the car, so there's no cold start on it. But I'll give you a normal drive, and won't have the radio on, so we'll be able to tell. Here we go. All right, you can hear me talking just fine. No in-cab resonation or anything like that. All right, this is under normal driving, so just letting you guys know, it's not loud at all. There's no drone in the car. But now, if I put my foot to the pedal, yes, it gets louder. It does get louder. So we will go this way, and I will let you hear it. That's about as loud as it gets. I mean, it's bearable for me. I mean, it's not that bad. Yeah, it's not bad at all. So just letting you know, just letting all you guys experience it with a ride along. To me, it does not sound like an import 4-cylinder. It's deeper than that. But I have no radio on, no air condition, and I can hear myself talk and think just fine because I'm not pushing the gas pedal too much. You know, I mean, if I'm racing from stoplight to stoplight, yeah, it's gonna be loud. But just under normal driving conditions, to me, that sounds great. I mean, that's deep. It sort of reminds me of the some of the imports that are deeper with the 6-cylinders, or the some of the Subarus, stuff like that. It definitely does not sound like a riced out Honda Civic. I mean, I'm not into that. So you guys may not like this, so it's to each their own. But I'm more than happy with it, just to get a little volume. And plus, I'm gonna tell you, the factory mufflers weighed seemed like 100 pounds a piece. So anytime you can drop that kind of weight off of the car, you know, you're doing something right. So it's gonna help it. I'll get on it for you one time. Well, there went all the seats and stuff in the back up against the hatch. But yeah, she sounds really good doing this, so I'm more than pleased. So hopefully this video helped some of you guys out that was on the fence pulling into the back driveway. All right, guys, so this concludes the video. In case I forgot to mention, this is the Wife's Explorer. It's a 2017 with the Ecoboost 4-wheel drive. So it's 6-cylinder, obviously. So I am more than happy with the sound and the way it sounds. So no mufflers will go back on it for me as long as I own it. I did keep the factory mufflers just in case the new owner one day wants them. So with that said, guys, please continue to comment, like, subscribe. It means the world to me, and I'll keep putting out these videos for you guys. So you can see the truck in the background back there. So yeah, the videos will go mainly about the truck, but the wife's Ecoboost, I'm going to do that. We're going to do the vent to air mod on this thing eventually. So I'm going to get that video out. But I just wanted to get this one out because I told a gentleman that I would, and that's what I did. So you guys stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video. Later now.